Snail remove ingrown hairs in snails and clean treatment snails at home. Caring for snails at home requires patience, understanding, and gentle hands. While snails do not have hair in the way mammals do, they can sometimes develop growths or debris under their skin, shell infections, or parasite-like irritations that may appear similar to ingrown hairs. These small problems can affect their movement, feeding, and overall health. Learning how to safely clean, treat, and maintain your pet snails ensures they live a long, healthy, and comfortable life. 1. Understanding snail skin and shell structure. Snails have delicate, moist bodies covered by a thin layer of mucus that protects them from dehydration and infection. Their shell is a hard, calcium-based structure that grows with them. Any injury or irritation, such as trapped dirt, debris, or small infections, can resemble ingrown hairs under the skin. These irritations may appear as small dark or swollen spots, especially near the snail's head, foot, or sides. Understanding their anatomy helps you handle them correctly. The snail's mantle, the tissue under the shell, and foot, the main moving part, are highly sensitive. When cleaning or treating them, always work slowly and avoid harsh chemicals or sharp tools. 2. Recognizing signs of ingrown-like infections or skin issues. If you observe your snail daily, you will easily notice changes in its appearance or behavior. Common symptoms of skin or shell problems include small lumps or dark spots under the skin, unusual slime color or thickness, reduced movement or hiding for long periods, avoiding food or climbing less often, shell cracks or discolored patches, excessive scratching or twisting behavior. In aquatic species, when these signs appear, it may indicate a trapped parasite, debris, or bacterial irritation that needs careful cleaning and treatment. 3. Preparing a safe cleaning environment. Before beginning any cleaning or treatment, prepare a calm, safe space. You will need a small container or bowl with clean, dechlorinated water, soft cotton pads or Q-tips, a mild saline solution, made by mixing 1 teaspoon of salt in 1 liter of water, a soft toothbrush or snail cleaning sponge, a small towel or smooth surface to rest the snail. Optional: natural aloe vera gel or snail-safe antibacterial drops, no alcohol or chemicals. Ensure the room is warm and quiet. Snails are sensitive to temperature and sound. Always wash your hands thoroughly before and after handling them. 4. Step-by-step cleaning and treatment process. Step 1. Hydrate the snail. Place your snail gently into a shallow dish of lukewarm, dechlorinated water. Let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes. This softens the mucus layer and removes surface dirt. The snail will often extend its body and begin exploring. Step 2. Clean the shell. Using a soft toothbrush or sponge, gently brush the shell in circular motions. This removes algae, dirt, or calcium buildup. Do not press too hard, shells can be fragile, especially in young snails. Step 3. Inspect the body. Lift the snail carefully and examine the skin under gentle light. Look for any small black dots, bumps, or swollen spots. If debris or dead skin is visible, use a moistened cotton pad to wipe the area gently. Never use metal tweezers or needles. Step 4. Treat the affected area. If you see a small infected spot that looks like an ingrown hair, lightly dab it with a saline solution using a Q-tip. The salt water helps disinfect the area without harming the snail. Let it rest in the water afterward to wash away any remaining salt. Step 5. Apply natural soothing gel. Optional: if the snail's skin looks irritated or dry, apply a tiny drop of pure aloe vera gel. This helps moisturize and calm the tissue. Avoid products with perfume, alcohol, or chemicals. Step 6. Rinse and dry environment. After cleaning, return your snail to a clean habitat. Wipe the tank walls, replace dirty soil or water, and ensure there are no sharp objects or moldy food. A clean habitat prevents reinfection. 5. Maintaining a clean and healthy habitat. Snails thrive in moist, well-ventilated environments. To prevent skin and shell problems, follow these maintenance tips. Clean the tank weekly. Replace the substrate or soil and remove uneaten food. Maintain humidity. Keep moisture levels between 70 to 90% for land snails and clean water for aquatic types. Provide calcium. Offer cuttlebone or crushed eggshells to strengthen the shell. Avoid overcrowding. Too many snails in one tank cause stress and bacterial spread. Add natural plants or moss. These help keep the air fresh and provide comfort. 6. Natural remedies and preventive care. Prevention is always easier than treatment. Here are natural ways to help your snails stay healthy. Cucumber and lettuce baths. Place thin slices in the tank. They hydrate the snail and naturally clean its skin. Crushed turmeric or neem leaf water, lightly diluted, acts as a mild antifungal and antibacterial solution. Coconut oil, very small amount, keeps the shell shiny and prevents dryness. Sunlight, indirect, helps regulate shell growth and kill bacteria naturally. 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Many new snail keepers accidentally harm their pets through misunderstanding. Avoid these common mistakes. Using soap or detergent for cleaning, toxic to snails, applying alcohol or hydrogen peroxide directly on the body. Keeping snails in too dry or too wet conditions. Handling them too roughly or pulling them off surfaces. Ignoring small wounds that can later become infected. Snails are fragile creatures. Even small errors can cause stress or damage, so always use gentle, natural methods. 8. Observing recovery and long-term care. After treatment, observe your snail for a few days. It should start moving actively, eating normally, and showing a smoother body. Continue misting the tank daily and feeding a balanced diet of vegetables, fruits, and calcium sources. If you notice the problem returning, isolate the affected snail temporarily and repeat gentle cleaning. Persistent infections may require advice from a veterinarian familiar with mollusks or exotic pets. 9. Emotional connection and responsibility. Snails may seem simple, but they have unique personalities and habits. They can recognize familiar environments and often become comfortable with gentle touch. Treating and caring for them at home builds a bond of trust. When you take time to clean and observe them, you learn their rhythms and behaviors more deeply. Providing a clean, calm habitat and addressing minor skin or shell issues shows love and respect for these fascinating creatures. 10. Conclusion. Removing ingrown hairs or skin irritations in snails is really about gentle cleaning, proper hydration, and maintaining hygiene. These creatures depend on their keepers for safety and health. By using natural treatments, clean environments, and careful handling, you can help your snails live happily and healthily for many years. Regular observation, patience, and care are the keys to success. Whether you are raising one snail or a whole colony, your effort to understand and heal them reflects true compassion for life, no matter how small.